We must remember that time is not on our side. Every minute, more people, mostly women and mostly children, are dying. They're becoming sick. They are fleeing their homes. We must respond. We need to rise to the level of this emergency by acting smarter and faster than we have before to achieve both short-term relief and long-term progress. Think of what it would mean if we do succeed. Millions of people would be saved from this current calamity. Millions more would no longer live tenuous existences, always prepared to pick up and move to find food if drought or conflict or other crises occur. Parents would no longer have to endure the agony of losing their children when the food runs out. And food aid from countries like the United States would be needed much less frequently because we are now supporting agricultural self-sufficiency. This would be a transformational shift for the people of our partner countries. It would be a new era of security, stability, health, and economic opportunity, peace, and stability. And it would signal a new chapter in the world's relationship with the people of these countries as they become themselves able to care for their families. They will become real models and examples of prosperity and stability. And they will become partners to do even more to help people live up to their own God-given potentials. If we can achieve that future, we will have done something truly remarkable